Hi friends, welcome back to Lessons with Twins. So today is 13th October and we can't see Mars because of the rain, clouds. And you know why we can't see Mars and why is it raining so much? Because it's not only the monsoon season. We'll explain you what other thing it is. So this is India. India is also called the peninsula because on three sides of it there is water. Arabian Sea.
So you can just write AS for Arabian Sea if you want.
Indian Ocean, IO. And BOB, Bob.
Who's Bob?
Bay of Bengal.
Okay. Now you drew the peninsula. Are you forgetting an island also there? A big island?
Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
You can write SL. Slow.
And of course there are many more islands around, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So in Indian Ocean there's a whirlpool.
Okay.
Which is cyclone. Yeah. And even in Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean.
What is a cyclone? What is a cyclone?
A cyclone is when it becomes shallow like this. The water is here. So and then this place is empty. It becomes shallow.
No.
So let's explain.
Okay, you take.
We can just tell you how to make a cyclone. You can do it on your bath. So you have to take a circular bucket, okay? And you fill the bucket just half. Like in half. Cut my finger away from half.
No, don't cut.
Half, okay? And then you have your finger no, or your full hand. Now then you make your hand a full circle.
In the bucket, in the water. Okay. Anshi, what will happen if we put our hand inside the bucket and we go round and round and round? And do we have to go slow or do we have to go really fast?
As fast as flash.
As fast?
As flash.
Okay, flash. Yeah. Anshi, what will happen?
So, as fast as light.
Show me here what will happen.
So then this is your bucket.
Okay.
If you put your hand, then it will become like this. Over
Okay.
here. Why did you draw India?
Koi baat nahi.
And over here, it will become shallow.
Okay. That is called a?
Whirlpool.
No. What is it called? The
Depression.
depression. There is a depression here.
So if you put one of your Hot Wheel car, it will go round and round.
Yes.
It's like a hurricane.
Yes.
Like if I enter a hurricane.
No. We don't even want to imagine that. No.
Even, for example, a tree enters a hurricane.
Okay, so let's come back here. So there is a depression in the Arabian Sea and
Indian Ocean.
Okay.
So it's so much pressure that water will go up.
Okay. So if the water goes up,
Cloud would be formed. I am a cloud, 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 and 100 more clouds will be formed. And when the
now what happens when
cloud bursts, it will be like pop. And then rain would come. And over here also rain.
Okay. So because of this cyclone, which all parts of India are like heavily affected by the rain?
This part.
Yeah, this entire coastal area from all your Bombay, Maharashtra part, Goa, Karnataka.
Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. All of those parts rain comes crazy. I'm a crazy rain. The shaded part is covered with green.
Okay.
I am in this area.
Great. Now what happens is the strong winds. Are these winds horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal.
Very good. Now these winds, while they are horizontal, they are also moving in the direction like this. So now they're going to this direction, and slowly the depression will go and the sea and the ocean will come down.
And then the cloud was formed. Then the clouds would burst and rain would come.
Yes.
See, I was
But
crazy.
there's another one day today, 13th October. What else? Yesterday we studied about it. We spoke about it.
Yeah. Apollo 11's 50th anniversary.
Yes. So can we clap for them? For the team, the entire team of Apollo 11?